Bluey ran across the playground, tail wagging, ears perked, shouting, "Come on, everyone! Let's play!" Bingo bounded close. "Wait for me, Bluey." Muffin and Socks tumbled over each other, trying to catch up. Could a simple game turn into pure chaos? Rusty and Lucky slid down the slide, laughing loud, while Bluey spun in circles, arms wide, catching the wind. "Watch this," she yelled, leaping high onto the soft grass. Bandit chuckled from the bench. "They're unstoppable today." Chilli shook her head, smiling. Could energy like this ever be tamed? Suddenly, Muffin had an idea. "Treasure hunt," she shouted, waving a stick like a flag. Everyone gasped, rushing to hide behind trees and bushes. Bluey grinned, eyes sparkling. "I'll find it first." Bingo whispered, "Not fair. You're the fastest." Could competition make fun even bigger? The hunt began, chaos everywhere, Bingo crawling, Muffin tiptoeing, Socks sniffing like a detective. Rusty and Lucky tripped, laughing wild. Bluey leaped over puddles, her paws slipping slightly, landing safe. The treasure? A shiny rock Muffin hid, glittering in the sun. Could small things create big excitement? Bandit and Chilli joined, pretending to search, laughing along. "You kids are a whirlwind," Bandit shouted. Bluey giggled, spinning around. "We're the best team ever." Bingo hugged her, Rusty and Lucky high-fived, Muffin and Socks cheered loud. Could friendship feel this energetic? Then a sudden breeze blew leaves everywhere, the treasure flying through the air. Bluey lunged, catching it just in time. Everyone gasped. Muffin clapped. "Bluey, you saved it." Bingo bounced in excitement. "She's a hero." Could a small twist make the adventure unforgettable? As the sun dipped low, the friends gathered in a circle, hugging, laughing, tails wagging, ears flopping. Bluey looked at the camera, smiling wide. If you loved our adventure today, don't forget to hit like, tap subscribe, and join us for more fun, games, and wild times with friends. The playground echoed with laughter as the friends ran one last time, leaving footprints in the soft grass. Could one day with friends feel endless and magical?